Is going on, blue chips? It is Monday morning. Oh, sorry, I got my Webull account up there. Most likely going to be entering a few positions this morning, starter positions for my buy and holds. Here we go. Operate in excellence. Always. Let's get to it. Alrighty, hopefully everyone had a good weekend. We actually already entered one position here in CCL. We ended up getting 1132 back before it actually ripped all the way up there to 12. But again, these are just starter positions, and they are going to be long and hold positions. So that's why I opened up the Webull account so that I could have everything separate. And as of right now, I don't even have my full buying power. I only have like 1/5 of it because the deposit hasn't fully went through yet. But also, we don't know what the market's going to do today. So I just took that opening position in CCL because I had told you guys I'd be pretty happy if we got it anywhere near 10. And what I mean by starter position is I took the money, which was $5,000, and hold on, the camera seems to be there we go. And I decided on 10 stocks. And then I am splitting that I'm splitting it evenly, which comes to 500 a stock. And then I am taking a quarter of that and I'm going to turn it into 4 separate entry spots, whether it decides to keep moving down. If eventually things start to go back up, and we'll catch it on the way back up. But no matter what, I want to have a little bit of skin in the game with these, just in case we are near a bottom. If not, that's why we're leaving ourselves plenty of room to add to the position if we have to. But these are some pretty substantial prices that we're at right now, and we're going to see if we can't just start the positions. So I have my balls to put in my mouth this morning, so I'm going to go clean off the top because it looks like they put a little bit of jello on them. Wow, you actually made it back in time.
Did you take the little stuff out of there?
No, I didn't. I was playing with it and you seemed to be fine with it.
Until we're not looking at any solids ones.
Thomas, what's up, man? Marketing, what's up? Jeff, yeah, I had to go clean my balls before I put them back in my mouth. There was some like green gunk on them. There's jello. They're all sitting on the floor until I put them in the fridge, so sometimes they play with them. And I guess one of them got some jello on it. To be completely honest, I wouldn't be too upset if the SPY decides to go down and test its lows again here that it gapped down to. But we shall see. I am going to attempt to obviously look for some day trades, as well as I'll probably wait until the morning subsides a little bit and the market kind of decides where it wants to go for the day. And yeah, so we'll be focusing on the day trades. Speaking of which, I have to get out of here around a little bit before 10 o'clock today. So I'm only trading for about 25 minutes. The wife has an important work call that she has to get to at 10 o'clock. So I will be getting off at 9:55-ish to make sure that we are taking care of the kiddo. Hold on, bud. The bell's about to ring. Yes, 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 yes. What's wrong? Where's your cheese? Oh, Subi's eating it. I bet you she has like a dairy allergy or something, and she's the one that keeps pooping funny. Well, why'd you give it to her? I'm not giving you more cheese, bud. You fed it to the dogs. That is not what you do with the cheese. All right, we got about 15 seconds here to the bell. Good luck, everybody. Stay safe. Market's kind of going to probably be a little funky here this morning, so just keep that in mind. I'm going to change the charts over here real quick. I like putting the SPY down the bottom just so I don't have to focus on it too much. There's the bell. Hopefully that's not too loud, but oh, I totally forgot to change. Spy is actually dumping here. I totally forgot to change my montages. If I can do that real quick, just give it this little bit of room. Yep, there we go. Alright, that should work. Let me save these real quick. OMG, did I really just do that? Why doesn't it warn you that you're about to do that before it just does it? I hit clear desktop instead of save desktop and it just straight up cleared it. Like, it should be like, are you sure you want to do that? Let's try this again. Wish I would have noticed this earlier. File. Save. Save. Yes. Save. Save. Okay. Alright, we're good. Spy is taking a hit here. RLGY. Just kind of cycling through. RLGY is not really what we're interested in. CVNA. That's actually halted to the upside. TWO. Nothing there. It's a lot to cycle through here. What is ZM? This thing has been taken off. This must be one of the people that are trying to cure or whatever. AGNC. That thing's trying to halt. Yes, Camden. All I need is 20 minutes today. I don't even need longer than that. At X. This has some decent volume. Range isn't spectacular. Let's look to enter another position here. I think this was, what, 7? Can we get 8 now? Pretty close. Start our position there on TOL. Got X up here, still looking. See if we can get up. What is this? 580. Car would have been a nice one. That's putting in a pretty decent double top. I'm going to move X down a chart. Keep looking. Keep that one on watch. It's like a Christmas tree again. It's so crazy. If you guys remember, not even that long ago, we'd be just waiting for like 1 or 2 to pop up, and now it's just non-stop, like every day. It's crazy. Everything's moving with the market. Dang, look at Carr. That would have been so nice. No shares there. CZR, that's actually one that was on our list, but I think we decided, that we're not gonna mess with it just because of the fundamentals. They were struggling a little bit before this all even happened, so we'll probably stay away from them. So UA is the next one that we're going to be looking to get into. X is coming back down, so we kind of missed that one. SPY looks like it's trying to come back down here. I hate how it doesn't tell you your position over there. You have to actually go into over here. 15 video. I mean, not that it really matters right this second, but yeah, we're definitely gonna scoop up some of UA here. And what's the level 2 here on UA? Should have filled us there. If anything, it should have filled us lower. Oh, it did give it to us. Okay. Still getting used to their platform a little bit as well. Oops, stocks. The next one we got on our list is MGM. Obviously still looking for a day trade here. Haven't come across anything. IAG. Just the market is down towards its lows right now, so that's kind of why we're looking to get into some of these starter positions here. It's weird that it's giving me that for some of these and not all of them. All right, so we're in MGM. Just making sure everything's going through okay. The next one we have on our list is Southwest. This one's a little bit more expensive. I might move that one down. Oops. I think the net Delta Airlines was another one, but I think they're a little expensive too. Yeah, they're a little bit better though. Everything that's moving is mainly everything with the market here. The market is tanking at the moment. I think we're going to just focus on getting some of these entry positions here. We got our limit there at 2069. Dang, that was pretty low. I didn't even notice that. I guess that's when we pulled it up. Oh, it actually looks like it might get back down there. Oh, 2 cents away there for a second. Under 21, I'll be happy. Wow, we actually got that at 21.01. That's kind of crappy. I guess the spread wasn't that great. I'm sure it'll come back down and it would have hit us, but oh, it got filled at 20.95. Yep, and look, it would have got filled right there. That's okay. Like I said, these are very long-term plays, so just trying to keep track of everything. What's up, Michael? How you doing this morning, man? See if we can't get these out. Man, the limit orders are killing us here. I guess it's pulling it up based on when we pull it up. Just do that. Get us in the trade. Alright, so that was American Airlines. I think we'll leave it at that for now. Man, we got a pretty crap fill on that one too. That's definitely why you can't day trade on something like Webull for anybody that is always thinking about that. Still not seeing anything as far as day trades. Trying to keep afloat. Yeah. Are you talking about in the market or just in real life? Kind of want to take the starter on RCL as well. Alright, got our starter there. Now, keep in mind, I'm trying to stay I'm trying to stay around that 125 per order, but some are less. But if I go over, it's only by like $1 or $2. But I'm not gonna. If it's under, it's been from like $10 to $15 just to get the shares correct. And I think I narrowed it down to 9 tickers because I thought I had 15, but I only had 14, and I didn't get rid of 5. I just narrowed it down to 5. There might be a home run type play in there that I might bring back in, which is the 3rd cruise line, but I don't know. I think that if anything, I'd rather take smaller shares. I think of something else like LVS or something like that. And my other one that's kind of a wild card too, believe it or not, is PLAY Play, which is Dave & Buster's. which we might wait just a tad on them. Well, I guess there's no reason we can't start it. Let's say PLAY. I guess I need to check my account first, make sure I'm not getting close to the max. Where is it? My account. Okay, so I only have enough for one more. It says I have 156.37. Okay. And that quick it jumped up that little bit. Let's see, the low 7. This has been lower, right? Yeah, this has been down at 5. Buy. How much of those can we get? 16. Alright, we'll start our position there. And granted, this thing, I'm kind of buying at a top here with a lot of resistance, but you know what? Let's lower this. See if we'll wait to see if we can get a little bit of a drop here. Let's put it at 727. Why not? Oh wait, crap! Did it already put me in the position? It's telling me I was using unsettled funds. I don't see it over here. I wonder why it did that. It scared me. Because it didn't pop that up before. I wonder if it's because I was moving it around. 17. Yeah, look, now 17 is too much. Alright, let's go back to day trading here for a second. See if we can't find anything. Because we're about to have to get off here. Sorry for cutting you guys short this morning, but unfortunately the wife has an important phone call pretty much every Monday morning. So until she is back not working from home, it's something we're going to have to deal with. I will still be looking at the charts and stuff. I'll just be also taking care of the kiddo more promptly so that she can focus on the call and not have to worry about him making noise. I'll probably actually take him upstairs, so I might not be, if he starts getting loud, that is. There's just really not that much. There's not, like, Friday, everything was popping off with our edge, and now today, really nothing is. See if we can't get that starter here. Man, look at it, it just keeps going up. Crappers. I don't really want to get in when it's kind of this extended on a big move up. I'd rather see if we can get the move back down. Let's see if we can put the price at 751. Just looking for that to come back down a little bit. And we'll just leave that there. If it gets hit for now, okay. If not, then oh well. We might have to end up buying that a little bit higher for a starter. But I don't want to buy it while it looks like this. That's a pretty big move to the upside. Well, you guys can't see that anyway, so sorry. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. As you can see, we had a big drop down, and then we're getting a pretty big bounce. So I don't want to buy at the top of the bounce. I'd rather see what it does. I put my order there at 750. I'd be happy with that if it goes back down there. If not, and it just keeps on going up, then we're gonna have to look to just buy a little bit higher for that one. Like I said, there's plenty of room on these. Looking at the daily on this thing, we were all the way up near 50. We're down under 10 right now, so it's definitely a long-term play. See what I did there? Just absolutely nothing to play. At least not for our edge. Obviously, you guys can see the scanners are setting off intensity alerts nonstop. So there's plenty of opportunity out there. But for what we are looking for with our edge, we are not finding anything. There's PENN. We played that on Friday a couple times. It's making a move off the bottom as well. Looks like the market's trying to come back up here. V-Ray. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
How long do you think your call is going to be?
It's
An
an hour.
hour? Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to just cut the stream off.
They told me they sent out another email this morning and say they had to be off at 10:55. So they have another conference call at 11.
Oh, okay. Is this like involving the virus, or is it just...
I have no idea.
It's just weird that they would say they have another... Yeah.
Well, the governor's speaking at 11, so I wonder if I'll be talking during that. I don't know.
Gotcha. We're getting that pullback a little bit here on play. And that 750 area has been used as support a bunch. If you guys look at just the 2 minute here. If we scroll out, look at all the times 750 was used here. So maybe we'll find some solid support there. Actually, you know what? It kind of makes me want to... It looks like we might miss it. We just have to take less shares. We'd be risking just a little bit more. SPY does seem to be climbing here. Oh, what am I doing? I'd love to get this under 8. We'll let it go. We'll let it go. We're not that eager, right? It's a long-term position that we're looking to hold here, so we'll see if it comes back down. EVRI is actually something we'd be interested in. $4, some resistance there. We need to obviously see a big... Oh, man, look at the volume. Man. EVRI, that's one that we played on Friday too, isn't it? That's kind of funny. SVM is something that we could play. It's on SSR, but obviously we don't care about that anymore. The range on it's not very great. Yeah, we'll probably just leave that alone. Alright, I think I'm going to FOMO into this. We still got 16. Oh, that's at 51. Ooh, big drop. Just putting the order in there, so it should fill us. We got 774. Okay, I'll be happy with that. That's good.
Ready? Here it goes. Here we go.
All right, so I think that's going to be all of our positions that we start today. Well, it has to be, because we don't got no more monies until it actually goes through. We got $32 in buying power left. And just to show you guys, here's all that. We're up 17 bucks total with all of our positions right now. Right now we only got 1,000 of the 5,000 that we have because we got to wait for the rest to come through. So we took our nice starter positions there on everything, and yeah, just kind of, it's a good opportunity right now, so we'll leave it there. We need to go through the Webull platform a little bit more, I think, today, and kind of learn it a little bit better. But okay, guys, it's 9:55. I'm gonna get out of here. Actually, let me look at PENN real quick. Yeah, it's not really taking off. Stay safe today. They're voting on the stimulus package again today, so be careful. Don't get caught in anything crazy. And I appreciate you guys being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I always appreciate that support. And I will sorry to cut you guys short this morning, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.